Hello guys, whether you are making a YouTube thumbnail, logos and any graphic design, this video is for you because in this video I'm going to share basic step-by-step tutorial for all the beginners who are looking to start creating stuff on Canva. So this video will take you from zero to average for all the beginners out there that are finding their way on how to create things on Canva. So don't forget to watch the video to very end and never skip at any moment, because all the things that I will taught on this video, and if you kept practicing it, you will see yourself doing wonders with Canva. Without any further ado, let's start. Okay guys, so here on my Canva interface, what you see there is many icons here. So here you see there is Instagram post, ebook cover, sheet, DOS, Microsoft DOS, and whiteboard design, presentation, social media, photo editor, and so on. And so here you can choose from any of these icons to start creating. Okay, here on the left side bar, you can see if you click on this open menu, you can see your recent design. If you have already designing on Canva, you can see your recent design. Okay, here you can see your project that here, and they say project, you can see the project that you have already done. Here this one here, template. Okay, if you click here, that is template. It means that designs that other creators have already input, and you can use it, edit it to your taste, and call it your own and start making use of it. Okay, so let's go to home. So let's start one of the icon here, the Instagram post. So here on Instagram post, you can choose from any of these templates, and edit it to your text. But let's start from beginning. This is a blank page. Here, this is a blank page. You click on element. On this element, you can choose what you want to add to this blank page. Like example, they have shapes. You can add shapes, you can add graphics, images, these photo frames, grids. Okay, like example now, let's add frame. Let's add frame. This frame. Let's add this frame. Let's add this frame. This is a basic guide. It's not that with this basic guide you can become professional with it. Okay, for this frame, you can also add something like a markup on this frame. On pictures, should I use pictures? Okay, see the recent use ones. Let's add this one. Okay, you see that this frame have taken the image of this dollar bill that I've input here. Okay, and apart from it, if you want to add text, you click here after this element. You click text. You can add your text manually. You can edit the one that they have already input in this Canva software. Like example, if I want to use the one that they have already input in this Canva software, I can. So okay, let me cite something that's related to wealth. Okay, see this one. Okay, this one they say pro is for those people that subscribe to Canvas. But here, you didn't see anything like pro here. Then it's free for you to use. Although you haven't subscribed, it's free. Let's use this one. What? Okay, you see that financial strategy. And two, one thing I like about Canva is that you can edit this text separately. Okay, like example now, this strategy, if I want to add something after it, like strategy goal, something like that, let me add something. Let me resize it so that it will fit this financial strategy goals. Um, is this okay? So you see that it's taking shape, and you can on this blank page, this white, you can you change the background color. If you click here, you see that this rainbow background color. Click here. Let's change it to gradient colors like this. Oh, this one didn't make any sense. No, this one. Okay. Okay, you can use any background color you want. I'm just trying to show you the basic tools you need. Even this text, you can change their color. If I want to single-handedly change this strategy goes the color, I can click on it. You see that there's a bar for you can there's a toolbar here that you can use to change it. You see text color. um, Let me use combat view. Okay, there's another thing that I need to show you guys. You click here, this open menu, you click on project. On here you see your recent designs. You can share your project to your team members that you want to collaborate, and they will edit it and send it back to you. So let's go to this template arena, the template place. So let's go to this template icon here. Let's click on it, template. So on this place template, you can see there are so many things that you can use it to do. You can use it to design an Instagram post, your story on Instagram, logo, YouTube thumbnail, ebook, sheets, Google Sheets, and Facebook post, presentation, and resume. So okay, let's start with ebook cover. So here you see that there's different templates that they have brought out. Here you see this one, financial basics, this one, time management. So here you see that this one, financial basics. Let's use this template on financial basics. You see on this financial basics, they have different pages. Let's click on customize this template, and okay, apart on this template customization, you can change whatever that is written here from this, like example, this financial basics. You can change it to a financial guide for women, and here also you can add elements on those things that I've teach you guys previous things. You can add graphics. You can add, okay, let me add this graphics here now. Add this graphics here. Let me add this graphics here. Okay, let's go behind this picture that is previous there. Okay, you see that it has gone at the back of this picture here. So you can do many things. So you can do many things with these elements here. You can add shape, you can add graphics, you can add your photos, you can add videos. So apart from it, here it says you can add text to these things. So after this text and templates, you can zoom in. Yeah, you can zoom out using this zooming tools here, and you can also delete all these pages that you are not comfortable here. You can delete. You can click here to delete this page. You can start from chapter 1, or you can add other page. You can add another page here. You see it. So then, apart from it, if you want to save if you want to save or share your design to other people, so you click on this top right corner, you click share, and you can, let's see all. Okay, if you click on see all, that you can send it to your phone, you can embed it to your code, you can move it to a folder, and you can use it as a presentation, and you can copy it to your clipboard. Let's click the download session. So here you can download this design that I've done here. If you have already finished your design, or you can download the design that you have already done. Okay, for ebook I prefer PDF. You can download it in a format of JPG, PNG, PDF standard, or PDF print. But for a ebook, let's use PDF, and you click download. That's how it will start downloading. Let's wait for it to download. You see that it has been completed. Hello guys, so with these basic Canva tutorials that I've shared on this video, you can use it, and for you to be perfect in it, you should be constant. And if you are constant practicing what I've shared on this video, you see yourself excelling and doing wonderful on Canva. So without any further ado, my name is King Sony here on YouTube. I show people on how you can make money online, and I'll show you tools that you can use to make money online. So if you found value on this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Until I see you next time, peace.